If you are looking for the top 4 best apps and websites to watch movies for completely free on your mobile device, then you are in the right place, because today I will show you how to legally do that. Number one on my list is the YouTube movies section. Now, to access this section, simply go on Google and then search for YouTube movies. Now, this will only be available for people that are either in the UK or in the US. Now, once you search for this, you are going to see this movies and TV section. So simply click on it, and this is going to redirect you to the movies and TV section on YouTube, where you can actually access a couple of movies and series all for free on the YouTube platform. And again, this is only available for people in the UK or US. Now, number two on my list is Amazon Prime Video app. Now, a lot of people do not know that on the app, you can actually access a lot of free movies and TV shows all for free, because a lot of people only think that Amazon Prime Video is only available when you actually pay a monthly subscription. You don't know that there's actually a free with ads section, and I'm going to show you guys this section. Now, this section was actually called Freevee, but later on they moved it into the Amazon Prime Video app. So if you come in here, you see that there's now a section in here. In here, you see this section with ads. Now, this is the free with ads section, and in here, you'll be able to watch a lot of movies and series all for free with ads on the Amazon Prime Video app, which is currently having over 500 million download. So you guys have to give this app a try. Now, third on my list is Voodoo. Now, on Voodoo, you can actually watch a lot of movies for free legally on their platform, and at the same time, you can also rent and buy some premium movies on their platform. So it's a combination. So it's not just that you'll be able to watch what they are offering for free. If you also feel like renting, much more premium movies and thriller movies and stuff like that, you can also go ahead and rent it on their platform. They also have an app available for Android and iOS devices as well. Now, number four on my list, or rather the fourth on my list, which is actually the last, is Tubi TV. And please, if you are finding any value from this video, do not hesitate to smash that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel. Now, the one thing that I love about this Tubi platform is that it's actually a combination of movies, TV series, live TV channels, and sports and so many other things, including anime. So if you want a combination of all of that, you can actually give Tubi TV a try. You're actually going to enjoy this platform, because this platform is already popular because they have so many content available, over 40,000 content available for you to enjoy on their platform, and over two, I think up to like 200 TV channels, live TV channels for you to enjoy on their platform. Now, there's action, there's sci-fi, there's comedy, so many stuff are available, and they also have an app available for both Android and iOS devices. So you guys should give this four platform a try, and let me know which one you actually prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.